the sunlight. Salt and laughter filled the air. Every wave was just a promise, pulling me to anywhere. Golden days that felt like oceans, stretching endless, wild and free. Back when time was just a whisper and the world belonged to me. The waves will carry me, I'll follow where they go. Endless skies and open tides, there's so much left to know. Every step I take is mine, the future calls my name. The waves will crash, the waves will rise, but I'll never fade away. I built my castles in the sand, chased the dreams I swore would last. But the tide was always waiting, washing footprints from the past. I held my victories like treasures, thought they'd shine eternally. But the years move like waves, now allowing me to see. The waves still carry me, but now they feel so slow. The skies are wide, but something's changed, there's nowhere left to go. Every step I take dissolves, the past won't let me stay. The waves still crash against the shore, but time just slips away. Faces fade like scattered seashells, fleeing as they soar. The loves I cherish from deep within leave me wanting more. Even those who swam beside me drifted far beyond my reach. Now I stand here where I started, watching waves that never sleep, looking back upon the shoreline, watching the endless rolling sea. The youth I had, the hands I held, they will never return to me. All I built and all I cherished, swept away like grains of sand. Now the waves move on without me, leaving silence where I stand. The waves won't carry me, they never did at all. The sky is vast, the sea is deep, but I just watch it fall. Every step I took is gone, the wind forgets my name. The waves still crash, the waves still rise, but I just drift away. The waves roll in, the waves pull back, erasing all I've known. Footprints fade beneath their touch, like whispers turn to stone. No trace remains of where I stood